So where does that full service stop? For example, does it include shipping?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of factories over here do DLP or DDP, which is duly landed paid. We do not. We are FOB. We don't see that our clients need us to deliver into their warehousing. They're not huge clients. We're dealing with a sort of smaller base client from between sort of anywhere from 5 to 100 million US dollars traditionally in revenue per year. So we basically, when I say full service, from the development, so from the absolute development of everything, we develop our own trims, we'll source everything through the development process and sampling and fits and whatever else, all the way through then to production, through your PP samples, through to production. We'll then pick and pack however you wish to. If you wish to drop ship to distributors or stores, we'll pick and pack it in our warehouse for you, and then we'll deliver it to your destination, the port of which you normally hear it's Cat Line. We'll deliver it to them, hand it over to your shipping partners.
Well, thank you, Paul, for your time.
No problem.
If you're interested to know more about Paul and his factory, unavailable.net, his contact information is below. Feel free to contact him directly. Thanks and have a great day. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.